While members of the Public Service Association were locked in salary negotiations at the Ministry of Finance on Tuesday, some employees at the PSA's main building on Abercromby Street were angered by their working conditions. PSA shop steward Lystra Lewis-Smith, who is represented by BIGWU, told CNews that on Friday some PSA employees received a memo to relocate from the PSA's main building at 89 Abercromby Street to number 91 because of poor conditions at the original building. However, they say the building they are being asked to relocate to is much smaller. Ms. Lewis-Smith said at the supposed solution building, the workers were faced with improper bathroom facilities that were not in tandem with the occupational health and safety requirement. She said the employees issued a letter to the heads of the PSA to address the matter before workers could continue to work.
We have no fire alarm system, no fire extinguisher, emergency exit that is locked while work is in progress, no exit signs. We don't mind working. We're not resisting anything like that, but we need to work under proper working conditions because this is what we fight for out there, our union, and we need to fix home first. Right? This is not a battle, nothing political, anything like that. This is we fighting for workers' rights.
Another employee, Keith Thomas, told us that the building at the number 91 Abercromby Street cannot accommodate persons in wheelchairs.
You know, I have no access to the building. As you can see, there's a lift to get into the building. The doorway is small. The toilet facilities isn't working, so I cannot access the toilet. You know, yesterday I was whole day out here, and when I wanted to use the toilet, I had also go downstairs the ramp to get into the next building.
In a phone interview, the PSA president said the association has already begun working on the issues, but he said the actions by the BIGWU workers is an attempt to upstage the PSA.
Political issues is something that we're going to do at the appropriate time. BIGWU's behavior towards the PSA changed drastically, I would say, the moment BIGWU was rejected from being on the Recognition and Certification Board. And when PSA was selected, their behavior changed and they began to do things that, as I will call, annoying, provoking things to humiliate and embarrass the PSA.
Marie Hall, CNews.